Welcome back to HB Car Review, where we bring you the latest in automotive excellence. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated luxury SUVs of the year, the 2026 BMW X5. This refreshed generation blends powerful performance, cutting-edge technology, and unmistakable style into one sleek package. Whether you're a BMW enthusiast or simply in the market for a luxury SUV, the 2026 X5 deserves your attention. Let's start with the exterior, and there's no mistaking the presence of this machine. The 2026 X5 brings a bolder, more athletic stance with a refined elegance. At the front, you get the iconic kidney grills, slightly larger but more sculpted than before, now paired with ultra-slim LED headlamps featuring BMW's new DRL signature. The front bumper has been redesigned with sharper lines and aerodynamic intakes, giving it a more aggressive look. Along the side, the muscular proportions continue with sculpted body lines that flow smoothly into the rear. Chrome accents, flush door handles, and a strong shoulder line give the SUV a premium, tailored appearance. At the back, the LED tail lights are slimmer and wider, with dynamic lighting elements that give it a modern edge. Dual chrome exhausts and a subtle rear diffuser complete the performance-focused look. Now, step inside, and the interior is where the 2026 X5 truly shines. It's a perfect blend of luxury and high-tech. BMW has introduced its new curved display, combining a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster with a massive 14.9-inch infotainment touchscreen, all under a single glass panel. The layout is clean, driver-focused, and intuitive. The new iDrive 9 system offers faster response, customizable widgets, and voice controls that actually work when you need them. Materials are top tier throughout. Soft touch leather, real wood or aluminum trims, ambient lighting with multiple color zones, and finely stitched details create a rich, inviting environment. The front seats are heated, ventilated, and offer massage functions, while rear passengers get ample legroom and optional captain's chairs in higher trims. There's also a panoramic glass roof that brings in tons of natural light, giving the cabin a spacious, airy feel. In terms of performance, the 2026 X5 continues to offer a variety of powertrains to suit different needs. The base xDrive 40i model comes with a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6, now paired with a 48 volts mild hybrid system. It delivers around 375 horsepower, which is more than enough for confident highway passing and smooth city driving. If you want more punch, the M60i variant brings in a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8, also with mild hybrid assistance, pushing out over 523 horsepower, launching this luxury SUV from 0 to 60 in under 4.5 seconds. Ride quality remains balanced, with adaptive suspension standard on most trims. It glides over bumps with ease, yet stays composed in corners, offering a sporty yet comfortable driving experience. BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction, whether you're dealing with rain, snow, or spirited backroad driving. Finally, let's talk pricing. The 2026 BMW X5 starts around $69,000 for the base xDrive 40i and climbs up depending on your trim and options. The M60i starts closer to $90,000, and if you go wild with packages, luxury interior options, larger wheels, Bowers & Wilkins sound, you can push well over $110,000. It's not cheap, but you're paying for a full luxury experience. One that blends comfort, tech, and power better than most in this segment. So is the 2026 BMW X5 worth it? If you're looking for a mid-sized luxury SUV that doesn't compromise on style, performance, or innovation, it's definitely near the top of the list. Let us know in the comments what you think. Would you pick this over the Audi Q7 or Mercedes GL? Thanks for watching HB Car Review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dive reviews on the latest and greatest cars in the market. See you in the next one.